Where's the bunker beds?
Wait.
Show me the bunker beds.
Yep, oh, wait.
Bunker beds. How many beds? One, two, 3, 4. Very good, Quentin. Very good. Yayagin ko niya ako doon. Tumak kaya para tumahimik ang buhay ko. Maganda naman po ang kwarto. Maganda naman po ang labas. Tignan ninyo.
Oh, ito. Marang kayo dyan.
Okay?
Mama ka to.
Yes, very nice. Ayan po.
Wow.
Tapos meron din bench dito.
Wow.
Where you can sit. Yan. This is the cave room. Katabi ko rin yung tropical pool house. So we have bunker beds here. This is the cave room.
Good boy.
Good boy. May karaoke dito, tapos merong Jenga!
Ano pa yung ano?
Yes, may wifi. So this is katabi po ng tropical
Pool house.
pool house. Dito cave room, meron sila mga collection. Yes, we'll go there. Kita niyo lang po ito.
Mama.
Yes, I'm going there. Ito po ang masters yata ho ito. Ito po ang banyo po ng cave room.
Beds.
Where's the bunker beds?
Wait.
Show me the bunker beds.
Yep, oh, wait.
Bunker beds. How many beds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, Quentin. Very
I will
good.
be here, shower. The shorts for here.
Yes. What else? Show me. Okay. So this is a tropical pool house. So we're going to the second floor. Sundan natin si Quentin. Yayagin ko niya ako doon. Tumak kaya para tumahimik ang buhay ko. Dining area.
I love pool house.
Yay! Wait!
What?
Don't do that! Pwede rin kayo tumambay dito, which is very nice to make tambay-tambay here. So, meron silang...
What was this?
Pinapakita niya sa akin na meron silang extra towel, meron silang laundry service, to shake, and no. Dali lang. So, meron silang ref, microwave, rice cooker. May banyo yata. Banyo to, no? Wait, there's a banyo here. Pero dito muna. May banyo naman po sa labas, katabi ng dining. Ito po ang banyo. Okay? This is the common. Come here. Maganda naman po ang kwarto. Maganda naman po ang labas. Tignan ninyo.
Oh, ito. Marang kayo dyan.
Okay? So you can close this. So nakikita ninyo. Air condition. We have 2 double beds. I think this is queen bed. Queen bed po ito. May TV. Ang laki ng banyo! Wow! Ang laki ng banyo! Ang laki-laki ng banyo, my dear friends. Ayan, ang laki po ng banyo.
Parang mula.
Pwede kang mag-skating sa banyo. May hot and cold water, I presume. Let's see. Let's check. Yes! Yes! May hot water siya. Kasi minsan nabibictimize ako na walang hot water. Ito, separate naman po yung banyo. Yung CR sa ano. So, very good. Very, very nice. Ang laki ng mirror. Diba? Ang laki ng closets. Then, after that, the second floor, we have the third floor kung nasan, I think nandun si Quentin. Quentin, come here. There you go. So, it's the same. Meron siyang pareho. Double na queen bed. At iba naman po ang banyo nito. Green naman ang banyo niya. Separate din po ang toilet sa bath. Very spacious. Actually, dito po may balcony. Ang laki-laki ng balcony nila. Ganda, no? So I think this is for the family because we have one single bed and 2 bunker beds. Ayan. Yes! May terrace din dito kung saan terrace dito, makikita nyo kung anong nangyayari sa baba. Hi!
Mama ko to.
Yes, very nice. Ayan po.
Wow.
Tapos meron din bench dito.
Wow.
Where you can sit. Yan. Dito naman red ang color po. Alam nyo, ang napansin ko dito, ang lalaki po ng mga banyo nila. You can roll down para po for privacy. We have 3. Ilan po?
These right here, and maybe these bed 6 them here. Taas po. Ito pa yung baba to. Babagyo ha.
Okay, what is your name, ate? Joy.
Joy. Q.
13 daw po siya.
Kailanman po.
Ako po si Candy. Yan po si Ate Joy. Siya po mag-a-assist sa inyo. Makita mo lahat ng kailangan. Storage and equity, huwag mo na pakailaman. Lahat ng kailangan.
Hindi mo na.
Okay, sige. Ang tawag dito?
Ito po.
Oo. Stove.
Support po po niyo dito.
Okay. Ito. Kompleto naman sila sa kanilang mga...
There's for charge po at yung pang nasa po dito.
So this is a tropical tour house, my dear friends. So this is where it is only in Cubao. Nasa Cubao lang po ito. So hindi nyo akalain na meron pong ganitong lugar. Diba no? Sa Cubao, sa Quezon City lang. Grabe, lapit-lapit
Ito po yung mga pang-dito po.
A few moments later.
Happens that goes on in hours. Baby, to see a room full of this for you and me. You will try, baby. Keep butterflies, stardust. Into the birds, stars, and to see what we ever do. As dark as the woods in the state. Can you hear me? There's a voice out the rain. Of these after storm.
Pinatay.
Every day is a blessing.